Hi, welcome to my channel edtech. Today I'm continuing with the grid series. Last class was all about grid column property. Today is about grid row property. So I'll be using the same template that I used for the previous class. Here we go. Okay, I just go to my CSS. I don't need to explain all this because you've done it in the last class. I just go straight here and then I just type, let's say item 7, one of the items, grid row, okay, let's say start with line 1 of the row, 3. Okay, save. Let's see what happens. There you go. Start with line 1, line 2 is this, ends with line 3. Okay, next. Because if you remember, item 7 was mango. Next, item 3. Let's say I want to do separately, differently. Start with 2, line 2 of the row, span 3 rows. Let's see how that happens. Save. There you go, orange. Starts with line 2, 3, 4. This was line 2, right? So, what did I say? Okay, span 3. When you say span 3, it means span 3 rows, includes 3 rows. 1, 2, 3 rows. That's it. So this is the meaning of spanning, meaning it includes 3 rows. It starts with line 2 of the row, respective row, and then it will include 3 rows in that. So on you can manipulate with different items. This is one way of doing it. Starting and the ending line shortcuts. Another way is starting with this and then does it include how many rows? You need to measure that out. So you can mention it this way. These are the ways you can manipulate the grid rows. Okay, ciao. See you in the next class. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe. Stay indoors. Bye. Ciao. Change the view and just show you before I leave. So stay safe, stay subscribed. Bye until we meet in the next class.